now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, seventh day in a row with a high temperature below freezing. Here are the hows and the whys of what's happening with the cold right now. Now, when we forecast locally, we look globally, right? Where is all the heavy rain right now out in the equatorial Pacific? It's here northeast of Australia. Normally, when you have all the heavy rain here, all this bright convection, you're in a phase 7, what we call MJO. And when you see it all right here, that typically means warm and wet in the eastern U.S. It also means, because all the air is rising here, what happens in India? The air sinks. So that's why we had that big glacier melt in the Himalayas. It's been incredibly warm in India. Notice there are hardly any clouds here. This is sinking warm air because all the air is rising here. So why isn't it warm and wet here? It's wet. Look at all the moisture going all the way back towards Hawaii. But it's not warm. It is quite cold. Reason being is the polar vortex has loosened. Normally it's really tight and it's up here near the North Pole. But the stratosphere is warmed. And it all has to do with ozone. And when that warms, the polar vortex loosens a little bit. And when this tight polar vortex loosens, sometimes a piece of it will break off. And a piece of it is breaking off right here. However, we're not going to get down to 20 below zero. We're not going to get down to 25 below. We're not even going to get down to 10 or 15 below. We're not record cold. Reason being, there are some things fighting it. The phase 7 MJO, big ridge here in the southeast is fighting it. So we're not going to get brutally cold. The worst of it's going to be in the plains. We're looking at record cold in Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. That's where the really cold is going to be for us. Cold enough, but not record cold. But we're getting the wet weather, and when you combine the high precip with the colder air, you increase your odds of getting snow and ice, and that's why we've had so much snow. And we've got more snow ahead. Well, it'll be very spotty and scattered for a few days, kind of peaking on Saturday. A little colder on Sunday, wind chills well below zero, but heavier snow comes in next week with bigger impacts. Here we go to tonight. A little scattered snow flurry and snow shower action around, a little weak disturbance and some lake effect kind of linking up here. Same thing tomorrow morning. Friday, a few spots of flurries and little snow showers around. Temperatures, though, in the 20s, maybe a dusting in places. Same thing tomorrow night. Saturday, a little better scattered snow shower action with some accumulation, especially in our northwest counties. You can see here this is Saturday afternoon. At least we're all in the 20s, however. And then colder on Sunday. We fall into the single digits. Not brutal, but quite cold. Wind chills running below zero, and then perhaps snow overspreading us on Monday. So here's the snowfall, a little dusting to coating right through tomorrow and tomorrow night and tonight. You see here less than a half an inch, but look what happened Saturday. Pretty much Lafayette northward, around an inch to as much as 2, less than an inch as you go southeastward. And this could be a much bigger snowfall event, even an ice storm southeast of us. Not only Monday, Tuesday, but another one coming in just in time for Thursday of next week. 70 forecast, normal high 37, Valentine's Day 12, then falling into the single digits. Couple flurries and snow showers, -2 Sunday night, and then more snow Monday, Tuesday, and additional snow Thursday.
All right, Chad.